Okay, going out again. Finally gonna test out the drone. So I'm hurrying up to reach the light. Okay, so I may be lucky. Let's see. Ooh. Need to hurry, get the drone up in the air. Okay, so not gonna happen. Sun is going down, almost too late. Try and do this again tomorrow. Stupid setup. I don't even go into the account, it's stupid, but that's the way it is. Should have checked it before, but yeah, we will try again tomorrow. Hey guys, so we are back at the same location. Sun is going down. Let's see if we can manage to get it up in the air this time. Okay guys, flying the drone went really well. So I'm looking forward to get the shots into the computer and see how they turned out. It's pretty cold, it's -6 degrees Celsius now, and my fingers are just totally frozen because of holding the controller. Hey guys, so out with the drone again, and going to try and get some awesome shots. Trying to use I will try to use the active track and see how that works. Turn on the controller first, and while it turns on you can screw in the joysticks. That's on. That's it. The drone is landing by itself. Okay, so this is working really good. So it's the batteries on the drone is 14%, 13% just now, so it's dropping pretty rapidly after a certain point, but I'm guessing it's getting pretty cold. So let's change the battery and go up that hill again. Let's see if you have to calibrate it again. Cancel, go fly. GPS is ready. Doesn't say we have to calibrate it. Okay, then we can take off. Start it.
Take off.
Okay, just came a warning about the temperature, that the battery is not gonna hold as much. Pretty steep. Oh, gracious. Woohoo! Drone is still following. Okay, done with flying today. So it's been great. I've learned a lot, and just being out there with the drone and trying to fly it as best as I can. Also trying to use the active track, figure out what its weaknesses is, how I can use it when I go out film for the trips. And I also want to do it, try on myself and on my own car before I do it on others. Don't want to fly into other people or their cars.